After I started living alone, I began running the washing machine at night. After work. After a shower. In a quiet room. I pressed the button. The sound. Thump, thump. Feels strangely loud. When I lived at home, my mother always did the laundry. Sometimes I would wake up in the middle of the night. The kitchen light was on, and the washing machine was running. It's noisy. I remember thinking. In the morning, clean shirts were hanging, swaying gently. I wore them, without giving it much thought. One day, my mother said,
"At night, the sound feels louder."
Even so, she kept doing the laundry at night. I never asked why. Now I understand. Night was the only time she had. While the family slept, she finished the day's chores and prepared for tomorrow. The sound of the washing machine was the sound of living, the sound that carried someone else's day forward. The cycle ends. I take out the damp shirts. They're still warm, just a little. And suddenly, the sound of that old washing machine, running quietly at night, echoes in my chest. My mother is gone, but this sound has stayed with me. Tonight, I press the button again. Thump, thump. The sound that runs for someone else. This time, it's my turn to carry it.